In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment on Freshbooks. Whether you're self-employed, managing a small business, or simply looking to keep your accounting needs in check, Freshbooks offers a comprehensive and user-friendly platform for managing invoices and processing payments. Today, we're diving into the specifics of how to make a payment for an invoice you've received through Freshbooks. First things first, head over to the Freshbooks website. Given its intuitive design, navigating there should be as straightforward as it gets. Once you arrive, you'll notice the clean, welcoming interface of the home page. From here, your next move is to locate the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Freshbooks account, so go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking the login button, you'll be presented with several options for how to proceed with your login. Among these, you'll find the convenient option to sign in with Google. This feature simplifies the login process by linking your Google account with Freshbooks, thereby eliminating the need for remembering an additional set of login credentials. Go ahead and click on the Sign In with Google option. Choosing to sign in with Google will redirect you to a familiar Google login page. Here, select the Google account you wish to use if you're not signed into Google already, and proceed by hitting Enter. This seamlessly integrates your Google account with Freshbooks, allowing you to access your Freshbooks dashboard without any extra fuss. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Invoices section of your account. This area is dedicated to all things invoicing, from creating new invoices to viewing those that have been sent or received. In the Invoices section, you'll find a comprehensive list of your invoices. These could be invoices you've issued to your clients, or ones you've received from suppliers or service providers. To proceed with making a payment, locate the invoice for which the payment is due. Freshbooks' interface is designed for ease of use, so simply hover over your desired invoice to unveil additional options directly related to that invoice. Upon hovering over the invoice, you'll see an Add a Payment option appear. This is the step where the magic happens. Click on Add a Payment to move forward. This action opens up a new window or section within Freshbooks, where you can input the details of the payment you're making. The system is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through the necessary fields and options to accurately reflect the payment being processed. After entering the payment details, such as the payment amount, date, and any relevant notes or descriptions, your final step is to click on Save. This action records the payment against the selected invoice, updating the invoice status to reflect the payment made. By clicking Save, you ensure that your payment information is accurately captured in Freshbooks, keeping your financial records up to date and correctly accounted for. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the Freshbooks platform to make a payment on an invoice. Freshbooks is designed to make financial management accessible and manageable, even for those who might not consider themselves tech savvy. Whether you're settling a bill for services received or keeping your business's books in order, Freshbooks offers a streamlined process for handling payments efficiently. Keep in mind, Freshbooks also offers a range of other features to explore, from tracking expenses and time to running financial reports that can give you insights into your business's financial health. So take some time to explore what Freshbooks has to offer beyond just managing invoices and payments. It's a comprehensive tool designed to support your businesses or personal finances needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make a payment on Freshbooks. Remember, managing your finances doesn't have to be a daunting task. With tools like Freshbooks and a bit of know-how, you can keep your financial matters in excellent shape, allowing you more time to focus on what truly matters in your business or personal life.